We're here at Southern Manufacturing. We have the pleasure of being on the Matsuura stand. I am joined here by Joe Bellis. Joe is going to talk to us a little bit about the growth in the UK.
So we're seeing tremendous growth in the UK. HPR themselves, I mean, it's probably the fastest growing or biggest growing market for HP in Europe. And that demand is driven by the subcontract 3D printing companies, mainly around sort of automotive, medical, consumer products. A massive area for us recently is UAVs, so basically drone manufacture, not just for sort of defense applications, but also for surveying, inspection, that sort of thing. So we're at a real sort of pivotal point, I think. It's the first time 3D printing is really being looked at as a first manufacturing process. So it's not, a prototyping thing anymore, or, an afterthought. People are going out and the first thing they're thinking about is, how do we manufacture this component? And 3D printing is one of the first processes they're going to now, which is great.
That's really exciting. I like that. And you were talking to me before, there's 3 elements to what you're working on.
Yeah, so first product that we've sold now for the last 8 years is the MJF system from HP. And we've seen tremendous growth with that. As I say, it's now turned over a quarter of the turnover for Matsuura's business in the UK, which in 8 years is a massive sort of plus for us. Since then, we've taken on their metal process, which is a binder jet process, very capable again for sort of volume 3D printing. If you're looking at production runs to replace metal injection molding or castings, and then the most recent addition is the FFF process, so that's fused filament fabrication, and it's a completely new process for HP to get into. But what they're doing is they're targeting the sort of higher temp type applications. It's a really capable system from what we've seen so far, and we're looking forward to getting started with it.